Greetings and welcome to Learn Apple Maps, a video tutorial from the MacU.com. These lessons will focus on the Maps app that comes installed on every iPhone and iPad. There is also an Apple Maps app for Mac that is covered in its own tutorial. First introduced on the iPhone in 2012, Apple Maps has improved immensely over the years and is now on par or better than Google Maps in many respects. I'll be using both an iPhone and iPad in these lessons. Maps can be used in both portrait or landscape orientation on either device. You might prefer to use your iPhone in landscape orientation when using it for directions in your car.
Starting route to Coyne's Restaurant and Bar. Head northwest on West Prairie Road.
To move the maps around, simply tap and drag with a single finger. Rotate 2 fingers to rotate the map. We can always reorient the map to have north at the top of the screen by tapping the compass icon here. Zoom in by spreading 2 fingers. As you zoom in, more landmarks will appear on the map. These can be anything from grocery stores to hospitals, restaurants, or parks. Zoom out with a pinch. We can zoom all the way out to a world map. We can also zoom into the map by double tapping on a location. Jump back to your current location at any time with a tap on this button. If I were to start walking or driving down the street, the map view would follow along with the blue dot remaining visible. This fading blue cone shape here represents the direction that the device is facing. As I rotate in my chair, the blue cone follows. Tap again on the location button, and the map will orientate to the direction that I am currently facing. The compass here also moves, so you always know where north is. Using maps like this can make it easier to see exactly which direction you are headed, especially when walking. In the upper left on iPhone and lower right on iPad, we have a temperature and air quality indicator. Tap and hold on this for more weather details for the location displayed on the map. A single tap on these details will jump into the weather app. Zoom out enough, and the weather indicator disappears. Zoom back in on a different location, and we can view what the weather is currently like there. The search field is where we will enter locations or addresses. This panel also expands to show places, recents, and guides. Next up, we will cover map modes, which we can select from using this button.